This RELIAGINT RG6 coaxial cable provides a generous 125-foot run, making it well suited for routing television or antenna signals across larger homes or between rooms without needing extra joins. The cable uses a 75-ohm design with triple shielding, which helps keep signal loss low and reduces interference for clearer television reception and more stable satellite or antenna performance. Its outer jacket is rated for wall use and built to withstand outdoor conditions, with ultraviolet resistance, fire resistance, and weather-resistant rubber boots that protect the connectors from moisture and rust. Pre-installed finger grip connectors make setup straightforward because you can tighten the fittings securely by hand without reaching for a wrench or extra tools. The included accessories, such as the female-to-female coupler and right-angle adapter, give you flexibility to extend existing lines and connect equipment in tight spaces where a straight connector would be awkward. Cable ties and mounting clips come in the package, allowing you to neatly secure the long run along walls or baseboards so the installation looks tidy and stays in place over time.